Hello everyone, I am Latika Puja 17E050. Today I am going to describe about speed control of induction motor. There are basic requirements of speed control. Speed control means change the drive speed as decided by the process to maintain different process parameter at different load. Energy saving. Speed control is different concept from speed regulation where there is a natural change in speed due to change on load on the shaft. Speed control either done is manually by the operation or by the means of some automatic control device. Low speed starting requirement. Method of speed control of induction motor. There are 5 types of method of speed control of induction motor. They are stator voltage control, stator frequency control, stator current control, V by F, that is voltage frequency control, static rotor resistance control. Stator voltage control. The characteristics diagram of stator voltage control is given. The graph is drawn between speed and torque. V1, V2, V3 represents voltage, N1, N2, N3 represents speed. Graph is drawn between two and load is drawn. This is the characteristic diagram of stator voltage control. Rotor resistance R2 is constant and slip is small to S into 2, which is very small, so that is neglected, which is not taken because the slip is too small. Therefore, T proportional to SE22, where E2 is rotor induced EMF and hence T proportional to V2. This method is easy and simple, still rarely used because a large change in supply voltage is required for relatively small change in speed. Large change in supply voltage will result in large change in flux density, hence disturbing the magnetic conduction of motor. Variable terminal voltage control. A characteristic diagram is drawn. The graph is between speed and torque, as you all know. V1, V2, V3 represents the voltage. Frequency control method. Torque speed characteristics of the induction motor is drawn. The graph is drawn between frequency, that is WE by WB, torque TE by TEM. The graph is drawn between these two, frequency and torque, in which maximum torque and rated curve is required. Vs by Ws is constant here. In frequency control method, by changing the frequency, we can control the speed of above and below the rated speed. It offers high range of speed control. Constant flex torque vessels frequency curves. The graph is between stator frequency, that is Ws, and the torque MD. MD max is shown. Stator current control method. Starting torque of induction motor Ts is proportional to square of stator current. It is independent of supply of frequency. It is independent of rotor resistance. TMBR is equal to, this is the formula, TMBR is equal to 3 into XM IS DC divided by W synchronous, that is SYN square of Rx Wm divided by RR square plus Wm XM Wm divided by W synchronous into Xm the whole square. A constant current of three-phase induction motor can be obtained three-phase CSI inductor converter. The DC voltage is constant current source. CSI regulated the and hence torque of induction motor. How to control speed using VFD? Rectifier used in VFD controller is used to convert AC to DC. DC bus. DC output power flow through DC link to inverter input. IGBT. The insulated gate bipolar transistor is a common choice of VFD controller. The IGBT through use control method is pulse width modulation. This is VF control method. Two graphs is shown. One is for constant torque VF pattern and another is variable torque VF pattern. A graph is drawn between frequency and voltage. And constant torque and variable torque is measured. Advantages and disadvantages of speed control. Advantages are easy speed control, maintenance is less, AC motor is less expensive, provide low speed starting facility, save energy and reduce thermal mechanical stress. This is very less expensive. This is cheap. Maintenance, we no need to maintain this. There is easy speed control, that is VF control. It will save energy and reduce thermal and mechanical stress. Disadvantages: power converter for control of AC motor are more complicated. Power converter for AC motor are more expensive. Generate harmonic or disturbance. This is power converter for this control is very complicated and it is very expensive and it will generate harmonic or some disturbances. Conclusion of this speed control is, in case of squirrel cage induction motor, the slip cannot increase above certain limit. The operating speed range is very less. By applying VF control, that is voltage frequency control, we can get the large operating range of voltage frequency ratio. The in this that's the end of this seminar. I have described the requirement of speed control, method of speed control, and I have described each method of speed control. How to control speed using VF control, advantages and conclusion. Thank you.